Okay, so we should all be aware that so much money is made out of ransomware that the wrongdoers are highly motivated to bypass any of the defences that we put in place. And to that end, there are many variants of ransomware at the moment that try to bypass anti-malware software by getting the Windows machine to reboot into safe mode and networking. Because in safe mode and networking, the AV tools or the anti-malware tools won't run, which means they can download the encryption software, encrypt the disks, and then ask for the ransom. And this is where our Privilege Endpoint Management product comes into place. Because to do this, the first part of the attack needs two commands. The first command is to set what is going to happen at the next reboot, and the second command is to do the reboot itself. Now that first command needs local admin rights, and PEM, Privilege Endpoint Management, allows you to remove local admin rights from all your user accounts and effectively grant it back to them for the things that they need to do, like installing software, installing known software, upgrading known software, and upgrading known drivers and the things like that. Now, what's important here is we're not saying that you don't need anti-malware or firewalls and all the rest of it, because you do. You need all the things. But what we're saying is that PEM is a great line of defense against this attack that these variants are using. Anyway, there you are. There it was. Thanks for watching. And if you like, slap like and subscribe.